Okay, so put everything back together. Everything's nice and snug. I'm trying to crank, but I see this sign. What does that mean? Also, after changing the fuel filter, now look where my needle is. Here's the results. Sounds like it's trying to crank. Let's put my foot on the pedal. Kind of sounds like I'm out of gas, which may be the problem. I don't know. But still, that sign comes up. So I'm about to hook this little cheapo. Call this my El Cheapo OBD up. Alright. El Cheapo. Turn the key forward. Alright. Well, that sign went off. One code. No. I don't even know what to do from here. So I'm just going to unplug it. Turn that off. And do it again. P0727. That's what code I'm getting. So now I guess I'll Google it and see what that means. P0727. The little sign on the dashboard went off beside park. So let's see.